Today I'll be walking you through this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos. Now this property comes with governor's consent and the building approval is available. It also comes with a fully fitted kitchen, a swimming pool and a BQ. In a short while I'm going to flip the camera and I'll show you everything you need to know about this property. But before I go into that, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terror's Property. Take a moment to like, subscribe, share this video, click on the bell icon so that you'll be part of my YouTube family. Okay, take it all. Let's see what this amazing 4-bedroom fully detached duplex have for us. So let's go. Okay, so today we are right here in Ikota. We are touring this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Ikota in a serene environment, and this property is going for 330 million naira. Okay, so before going in, let me just show you the environment where we have our property, so you can see where the property is located. Okay, so stepping inside, you have a compound space that can take 2 cars. Not a very large compound space, if I'm being honest, but you can take 2 cars. You can park 1 car by this side and you can park the other car by this side. So the sliding gate is a 2-way. You can access it via this way. You can open it, have an opening here, and you can have an opening this other side. You can slide the gate and you park your cars right there. So you can take 2 cars for that. Okay, so before going inside this building, I would go around for you to see the compound, general compound, the surrounding compound, before entering inside and showing you the interior of this house. So okay, so before going, let me just show you this compound space one more time so you can see the building. Okay, so let me go around then before entering inside. Okay, so you see you have your electric fence for your security. So you see the walkway, it's not that narrow, but you can move around there. So this door leads you inside the kitchen. Just needed to show you. So we are coming in through the front entrance. Okay, and also remember I said this house comes with a BQ. So this is the BQ. Okay, it's locked, but it comes with a BQ. And this right here is the pool area. Okay, this pool is small. I just have to be honest with you. The pool is small, but you can, if you don't want it, you can close it up or you can enjoy it. But honestly, the pool is small. It has a small space between the pool and the wall. So you can decide to close it up or you can decide to make use of it, whichever one works for you. Okay, so this is the pool. Some of you might say fish pond. It's not that small, it's not that big, just there. So we have our water treatment right here. So these are water treatment units for the pool and the house at large. Okay, so this is your scaffolding for your tanks. Okay, so we're still walking to come out at the front entrance where I started from. So you have a bit of greenery right here, just to beautify the compound space. You have beautify with this artificial green grass, just to beautify it in line with this beautiful white stone, to make the compound very beautiful. So you have your flower pot right here. So stepping inside, you are greeted with this short staircase that ushers you inside the living area. So you have your security door 5 security door, and this is your living area. This is your living area. You have this beautiful TV console right here, and over this side you have your guest toilet. So this is your guest toilet. You have this beautiful light. Okay, so you have your kitchen by this side, but let's check out the guest room before coming to the kitchen. Okay, so this is your guest room. This is your guest room. You have your wardrobe, and as usual, all rooms are ensuite. So right here you have your toilet and your bathroom or shower area. Okay, so let's head over and check out the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. So it comes with kitchen island. For me, I would say the kitchen island is not necessary, but the developer wants to put it, to add more functionality to the kitchen, But to me, I would say the kitchen island is not supposed to, or a smaller kitchen island, so that we can have space to move around the kitchen. So the kitchen also comes with a microwave oven and a microwave and an oven, and also has your space for your refrigerator. So this space is for your refrigerator. So by this side you have your store. So this is your store. This door leads you outside the compound, so you have lots and lots of cabinet spaces. Okay, so check out the appliances we have in the kitchen. We have a heat extractor, we have our oven, our 5 burner head, gas burner head, 5 gas burner head right here. So we have your double sink, your modern faucet. We also have a sink right here on the kitchen island with the faucet. So you can see what I'm talking about. Assuming the kitchen island is smaller, there would have been space right here, but all in all, the kitchen still looks good. So let's check upstairs for the remaining rooms. Okay, so we have these motion sensor lights. Okay, you have this beautiful design right here. So it's 3 rooms upstairs. So let's check out these rooms. Okay, so let me just put on the light for you to see that the light works. Okay, you have a window to let in lateral light and let in ventilation. So see your room from this angle. And you also have a window by that side, close to where we have our wardrobe. And all rooms are ensuite. So this is where we have our bathroom. Okay, so you've seen this room. Let's check out the next room. So this is room number 2. Room 2. Okay. So you have a window right here for ventilation and lighting, natural lighting. Let's check out the POP, the POP lighting. You have your wardrobe. This right here is your bathroom. So all bathroom comes with the water heater. So you have it up there. Okay, so let's go back to the next room. So right here you have your family lounge. So this is your family lounge. Let me put on the lights. Okay, beautiful. Oh wow, this is lovely. Beautiful lighting. So this is your family lounge. Okay, so I want you to see the lights. So I just put on all the lights now. Okay, so we have this space. Still part of the family lounge. Okay, so this is the master's bedroom. So you have your walk-in closet by this side. The rooms are quite spacious. I like the spaces. So this is your master's bed. You have your TV console by this side. Have these beautiful chandelier lights with your POP lighting. So you have access to the balcony. Okay, so let's check out the bathroom. So but before going in, this is where we have our walk-in closet. So the door by the side leads you to the bathroom. Okay. So this is your bathroom. So you have your suspended WC. You have your bathtub. You have your bathroom sink or wash hand bowl. Okay. So right here you have your shower area. The shower area. So you have windows by this side. Okay, so this house is in the market for 330 million naira, as I said. Once it's governor's consent, the building approval is available. So call the number and let's see this deal.